Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add new screens in Stitch. All right. So first up, go ahead and add a new prompt. For example, it could be an app or a web design. So when you go ahead and add a new prompt and generate it, okay, let's say I have here the chat list, okay, or the chat app. As you can see here, we have here the screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4. Now, how I did it is that when the first time you enter the prompt, Stitch right here will say to design your app, okay, based on the following prompt that you gave to Stitch, okay, Stitch right here will list down the possible pages. Now, I said here, after the chat list screen page, I would like to add another stage or page, okay, which is the chat options. So that's how I added some page. But if you want to add in more screens right here at the bottom, all you need to do is just go ahead and ask Stitch right here to make some changes from your current prompt. So if you don't like it, add another prompt and it will list down in here. Okay, as you can see here, I said I would love to change the background color to yellow, make the font as Choco Cookie right here. And the last prompt right here I gave is, can you make it dark mode? So this is the last one. So another screen right here is available. Okay, so if you meant add in another page or stage, okay, just go ahead and ask Stitch. Okay, can you make a page or stage in continuation of app settings and FAQ page? Okay, hit on generate and just wait for it to fully load. All right, as you can see here now, created a new stage. Now, what you can do if you want it to be on the screen is just click on the select tool, okay, and just drag it right here. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.